Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Business ideas, share market, English subject, funny jokes and stories. Hello friends, I am Mr. Yellappa Mahadev Wagmare, assistant teacher in Habapa Abasavan, माध्यमिक विद्यालय तोंडली पिलवली, तालुका चिपळूण, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रत्नागिरी. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास प्लीज लाईक करून शेअर करा. माझा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केला नसेल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा. नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओसाठी प्लीज बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा, कारण मी असेच बिझनेस आयडियाज, शेअर मार्केट, मनी अर्निंग, इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट, फनी जोक्स, रोमॅन्टिक स्टोरीज याविषयी युजफुल, इंटरेस्टिंग, विनोदी व्हिडिओज सादर करतो. चला तर मित्रांनो, स्टार्ट करूया. इंग्लिश लोअर लेवल, इंग्लिश मराठीत स्पष्टीकरण, SSC स्टँडर्ड 10th, मॉडेल ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट नंबर 2 विथ मॉडेल आन्सर्स, पार्ट नंबर 6, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5A, A1 or A2, as per new format with guidance, solution and marking scheme. Time 3 hours, total marks 80. Section 5, writing skills, question number 5A, letter writing for 5 marks. Tip, activity sheet मध्ये सेक्शन 5 व 6 लेखन कौशल्यावर आधारित असेल. प्रत्येक प्रश्न प्रकाराची गुणदान योजना उत्तरासह देण्यात आलेली आहे. प्रश्न क्रमांक 5A हा पत्रलेखनाचा प्रश्न असतो. यामध्ये A1 इन्फॉर्मल लेटर आणि A2 फॉर्मल लेटर विचारलेले असते. दोन्ही पत्रासाठी एकच माहिती दिलेली असते. यापैकी कोणतेही एक पत्र लिहायचे असते. टिप, पत्रलेखन करताना विचारात घ्यायचे मुद्दे. पत्र औपचारिक असो वा अनौपचारिक, पत्रलेखनासाठी ब्लॉक फॉर्मॅटचा उपयोग करावा. म्हणजेच पत्राचे सर्व महत्त्वाचे घटक डाव्या बाजूला समासाला लागून घ्यावेत. पत्र पाठवणाऱ्याचा पत्ता, पत्राची सुरुवात व पत्राचा शेवट या सर्व गोष्टी समासाला लागून सुरू कराव्यात. औपचारिक पत्रात पत्र ज्याला लिहित आहोत त्याचा पत्ता, विषय आवर्जून लिहाव्यात. परिच्छेद दर्शवण्यासाठी 2 इंच जागा न सोडता जिथे परिच्छेद पाडायचा आहे तिथे एक ओळ सोडावी. पत्रात XYZ ऐवजी स्वतःचे नाव लिहिता येईल. पत्र लेखनासाठी दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांचा सुयोग्य वापर करून पत्र साधारण 3 परिच्छेदात लिहावे. म्हणजे पत्राची सुरुवात, मुख्य विषयाचे स्पष्टीकरण व समारोप असे 3 परिच्छेद असावेत. पत्र लेखनात तुम्ही शिकलेल्या व्याकरणाचा योग्य वापर करून अधोरेखित करावा. सेव्ह वॉटर, सेव्ह लाईफ. एव्हरी ड्रॉप ऑफ वॉटर स्पीक्स फॉर इटसेल्फ. सिंगल ड्रॉप काउंट्स. आदर्श हायस्कूल हॅज अरेंज्ड ए कॉम्पिटिशन ऑन सेव्ह वॉटर, सेव्ह लाईफ. द कॉम्पिटिशन विल बी held on January in Assembly Hall. Students can register their names by 20th January with Mr. Soham Patil. The winners will be awarded with a trophy and a certificate. A1 informal letter. Your friend never takes part in any kind of competitions. Write a letter to him or her to intimate about his competition and motivate him or her by giving the information about the competition. Or A2 formal letter. Imagine you have taken part in the above competition. Write a letter of appreciation, thanks to the principal of Adarsh High School for arranging this competition that made the students aware of the importance of saving water. A1 informal letter. विक्रम शिंदे, 10 देवदर्शन आचार्य मार्ग, सांगली, 6 डिसेंबर 2018. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इथे तारीख तुम्ही ॲडजस्ट करायची आहे. डिअर सुबोध, after meeting you in the last week, you will be surprised to see my letter. Yes, the reason is valid. In our last meeting, you told me about your stage fear, and so you never take part in any kind of competition. I know it is quite difficult to stand in front of the people if we do not have that courage. Here is an opportunity for you to build your confidence. Adarsh High School of your city has arranged an elocution competition on Save Water, Save Life, which will be held on 30th January in their assembly hall, and the winners will be awarded a trophy and a certificate. I know, being scholar, preparation for the subject is not difficult for you. You can prepare a quality speech, but standing in front of the audience and conveying your thoughts to them is difficult for you. I know you can do this well too. You might have heard about the quote, winning is not important, taking part in competition is important. I know if you start with such small competition, you will win a lot of trophies and certificates in future, because I am sure about your caliber and talent. So register your name with Mr. Som Patil of the school before 20th January. Prepare the subject well. I will be there to take practice of the same before competition. Hope you will participate in this competition. For me, convey my regards to uncle and aunt, and love to little Ria, hoping for positive reply as early as possible. Your loving friend Vikram Shinde. Marking scheme: informal letter, sender's address and date, half mark. Salutation and closing, 1 mark. Main body, 2.5 marks. Use of grammatical structure, 1 mark. Total 5 marks. A2 formal letter, Vikram Shinde, 10 Devdarshan, Acharya Marg, Sangli, 6th December 2018. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तारीख इथे तुम्ही ॲडजस्ट करायची आहे. टू द प्रिन्सिपल आदर्श हायस्कूल सांगली. सब्जेक्ट about the elocution competition Save Water, Save Life. Respected sir, just now I read the advertisement about the elocution competition that has been arranged by your school, and it is open for any student of the district. I am Vikram Shinde, one of the residents of Sangli district and environmentalist. I know the headmaster plays a crucial role in such events. So first I congratulate you for taking such an initiative. The subject you have given is really important, not only for the students but also for the whole society to understand the value of water. If the young generation understands the importance of water, they will convince the society not to waste water unnecessarily. We know water is life for every living creature on this planet. Every drop of water speaks for itself. Every drop counts. So the subject itself speaks a lot about the importance of it. If such awareness starts from school, the students will stop wastage of water in school, at home, and wherever in the society. It is really an eye-opening subject which is the need of the hour. Once again, hearty congratulations and all the best wishes for the competition, and I hope in future too you will handle such important issues in your school. Thanks a lot. Yours sincerely, Vikram Shinde. Marking scheme: formal letter, sender's address and date, half mark. Recipient's address, half mark. Subject and salutation, half mark. Main body, 2 marks. Closing, half mark. Use of grammatical structure, 1 mark. Total 5 marks. Hello friends, thank you very much for watching my videos.